Aloha my beautiful friends, Kristina here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a life update. A day in the life / what I'm eating. It's been a long time since I've just updated you on what's happening in my world, and I have some really big transitions happening in my life right now and some small ones, and I just wanted to share those with you. I have a huge garden and property update coming for you in just a few weeks. By the end of this month, there will be 300 fruit trees planted in this field where I'm standing right now, and I'm so excited. It has been my goal to plant 300 fruit trees to establish this organic fruit orchard where I am right now, and it's taken 2 years to get to this point, so stay tuned for that video. It's coming and I'm so excited about it. Also, my birthday is coming up on March 11th, and in celebration of that, I'm gonna be having a huge app sale. My app is gonna be at least 50% off. My app is already free to download, but I'm talking about the premium monthly and yearly subscriptions. So please stay tuned for that. For those of you who are interested in checking out some of my raw vegan recipes, there are more than 450 raw vegan recipes on my app for you. It's available on iTunes and Google Play, so stay tuned for my birthday app sale. It's coming. Also, as some of you might know, I'm currently putting together the most comprehensive, complete catalog, index, maybe even an ebook of all of my favorite sauces, dressings, and dips that are raw vegan and oil-free and that are good for you. So far, I've compiled a list of over 100 that I'm including in this catalog, index / ebook for you, but I need your help. I am asking for all of your special requests. So if you have a dip, dressing, or sauce that you love that you would love for me to raw veganize, please add it in the comments below. It can be anything. I love a good challenge. This will probably take me until summer to complete, but I want your requests. So please, in the comments below, write down any and every favorite dip, dressing, or sauce that you enjoy. In this video, you'll see me reference things like my Nama Juicer or my Inner Circle. And so for those of you who have inquiries or just want more information, please be sure to check out the links in the description below. I have a special Nama Juicer discount code waiting for you. You can get $55 off the new J2 Nama Juicer. You can kickstart your health journey by juicing and learning to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your lifestyle. And for those of you who are looking for a coaching community or a supportive community on your journey, if you're looking for more emotional support, or even if you just have questions that you want to get answered, I host live Zoom calls twice a week for my Inner Circle community. It's a private group, all are welcome, and I've included the link below for you if you care to join us. There's so many special moments that I'm happy to share with you in this video, so let's go ahead and jump on in.
If you've been watching my Instagram stories, you'd have seen that I just finished a 3-day juicing reset for the upcoming spring season. I normally juice 32 ounces of fresh juice every day for breakfast, and my intention with this juicing feast was simply to focus on resting, rebuilding, and restoring my system. No matter who you are or what you do, at some point your body needs a little reset, and this was mine. It felt so good to do, and it gave me a good dose of energy for the upcoming busy weeks ahead. I posted a juicing recipes video last week where I shared 3 of the main recipes I was juicing during these 3 days. And in this video, you see that I'm juicing fresh citrus juice using the oranges and tangelos from my trees. Also, you can see I'm enjoying delicious green juices as well. Lately, I've really been into adding cabbage into my juices. It's surprisingly sweet with a little spice to it. Cabbage is high in antioxidants, and it's so good for gut health as well. My intention has always been to inspire you to practice more wellness and to eat more fruits and vegetables, and juicing is a wonderful way to get more nutrients into your body. If you don't have a good juicer, it's a worthwhile investment to get one, preferably a slow cold press juicer. It saves you time and money in the long haul. I'm using the new Nama J2 juicer here, and I love it because this new technology allows you to load in whole pieces of fruits and vegetables into the top hopper, walk away, and your juice is ready for you when you come back. It reduces your prep time, and it also batch juices, meaning you can make multiple jars of juice at one time. The juices last for up to 4 to 5 days in the fridge in a sealed tight container. If you're looking to get a new juicer, definitely check out the J2 Nama Juicer. You can use the code FullyRaw55 to get $55 off your juicer using the link below in the description. How refreshing do these juices look? I hope this inspires you to get juicing. Enjoy, my friends. I think it's funny because the other day someone told me that I'm a very consistent person. I'm always saying that consistency is key, and I believe that to be true. I've even read some of the comments here on my channel where some of you might feel that my morning routine never changes, and well, it's true. Creating a healthy morning and evening routine is something I've worked out for a while now, and I'm proud of it. I believe it's when we are consistent that we truly begin to see results. So what if I have the same routine every morning? That's the whole point of having a morning and evening routine. I snuggle and spend time with Coco in the mornings, I get in my morning workout, and I nourish myself with wholesome foods. I get my days going strong. We are nearing the end of winter season right now, and it's been raining a bit, so I haven't been riding my bike down to the beach as much. The past few weeks I've been working out in my clear light sauna at home. Using the infrared light sauna in the mornings is a great way to help you sweat and feel good for the rest of the day. On days when it's sunny, I'll do my best to get my workout down at the beach and have an early morning swim as well. I have a little garden update for you now, but just wait because in a few weeks you'll see a huge transformation happening. As you can see here, I've recently just completed clearing my garden beds. I know, it's a little scary for me to see my garden beds like this as well, but it's good to give your garden some bed rest if it's been growing for a while. I've been refreshing my garden beds by mixing in new compost soil and mulch to add in more nutrients and to give it more give. I've also been using this opportunity to refresh my bamboo light poles and even give my fence a little upgrade as well. I'll share more of this with you in a future video. Stay tuned, I cannot wait to show you the final transformation. As for the rest of the property, installing the fruit orchard has been one of the most rewarding things I've ever done in my life. We are still a long ways away from it coming into fruition, but it's just so nice and heartwarming to be at the beginning stages of something and to know that you're getting to be a part of birthing something new. That's what this feels like to me. I've been growing papayas, avocados, citrus, and much more that are already abundant.
Look at this beautiful avocado tree coming in. I grew this from seed. She's gorgeous.
It's also one of the reasons I've been making citrus juice daily because I have so many oranges and more. Here's a quick peek at what the orchard field looks like right now, and you can see how far we've come. We've just finished planting the last bit of peanut grass on this last hill here to help restore nitrogen back into the soil. It's my goal by the end of this month to have more than 300 fruit trees planted here.
So getting that peanut grass in the ground over here was the final missing piece. And I have 2 pallets of exotic fruit trees that are gonna be arriving next week, just in time for my birthday. And we're gonna spend all week planting, and hopefully we'll have 150 fruit trees planted here by the time I talk to you next. And then in a few years, hopefully this will be a thriving organic fruit orchard. Hold that intention with me. I'm just so excited about this. I can't contain it. And I know these details might be very small to you and insignificant, but it's taken us 2 years to get to this point. And oh man, I'm so grateful. What a journey, what a blessing. I'm so just excited to share this journey with you and all that's to come.
A little animal update for you. For those of you who are just getting to know me, I have 5 rescue animals. I have my main squeeze and one-eyed pup, Coco, who is 2 years old and truly the love of my life. He's my soul in a different body. I just love him so much. We do everything together, and he's just been there for me so much I can't even really explain it. Many of you know Simba. He's a crowd favorite here on YouTube, and he's just the most sweet and friendly kitty there is. He's a cuddle and purr machine. Simba and Coco play all the time. It's the cutest thing. And there's Zorro and Chica. Zorro likes to have me to himself, and Chica stays to herself, but when she opens up and shows you a little piece of her heart, it just warms you. Chica has a very, very special place in my heart. Last but not least, there's Ralphie. Ralphie is doing amazing, and I'm still working on our bond and trust, but we've gotten much closer. Lunch for me is usually always fruits or a smoothie bowl. Lately, I've been enjoying lots of fresh mangosteen. It's so good for your skin, your hair, and your nails. I actually recorded me eating the mangosteen, and then somehow the footage got erased, so you only get to see my mangosteen scraps today. Sorry guys. My smoothie bowls lately have been consisting of bananas and whatever fruits I can find in season. I'll top my smoothie bowls with cacao and raw granola for an extra added flavor and crunch. A friend recently told me that she has a hard time drinking smoothies, but when she puts her smoothies in a bowl and eats it with a spoon and toppings, it's a totally different experience for her and so much more enjoyable. I'm definitely in alignment with this. If I'm on the go, sometimes it is easier to bring your smoothie in a jar. But if I'm home, I love enjoying my smoothie in a bowl. Did I mention how hilarious it is for me to eat when I have Coco, Simba, and Zorro all demanding attention from me and playing around? It's nearly impossible sometimes, but I wouldn't change it for the world, and it makes me so happy. Not a day goes by where someone asks me if I supplement or not. I do, and I use Sun Warrior vitamins, minerals, and protein. I won't touch much on it today, but there are Sun Warrior links below with a 30% off bundle discount for those who want it. On certain weekdays, Coco and I will head over to my neighbor's farm to pick up our weekly box of yummies. This week, I was so happy to see a beautiful jackfruit in this box. This freshly picked jackfruit is probably around 30 to 40 pounds, and my mouth is watering just thinking about cutting it open. I also got limes, big, buttery, creamy, delicious avocados, purple caimitos, black sapotes, sapodillas, egg fruit or yellow sapote, and more. The spread is so beautiful, I just had to share it with you. For me, this is what makes this lifestyle so exciting. It's about the abundance, color, and life force of the food you're eating. It's real, nutritious, healing food. This is what it's all about. A few other updates. The pineapple heads I planted last year are just now starting to grow baby pineapples. How cute are these? I can't wait to see these get bigger. Also, my coconut tree is loaded as well, and I just planted a ton of baby coconut dwarf trees. Do you love drinking fresh coconut water? I love eating the coconut meat after as well. My purple orchid trees are blooming right now, and it's just magical. It makes me so happy to see these flowering on a daily basis, especially in the mornings or at sunset. Look at all of this beauty. It's unreal. My bougainvilleas are also flowering at the moment. As I mentioned before, twice a week, on Wednesdays and Sundays, I host live support Zoom calls for my Inner Circle group. It's a safe place where you can find support and community and where we can spend time together. If you're interested in joining us, see the links below. Before I show you what I ate for dinner tonight, I first wanted to show you what I made for a little dinner party I hosted at my home the other night. People are always asking me what I make for when company comes over, so I wanted to show you. I made a fresh Lebanese tabbouleh salad with savory tomatoes and cucumbers. I also made a balsamic tahini massage kale salad. My friend Mercedes made a vegan hummus chip and dip plate. I paired it with my rainbow cream cheese dip and also my favorite pico de gallo or picante salsa. Yes, it's spicy. And last but not least, a fettuccine alfredo with zucchini noodles. We had a really special and intimate evening with neighbors and close friends, and it was just so lovely. All of the food was completely eaten and everyone loved the feast. I'm happy to share these moments and memories with you. I also think it's cool for you to see this because you can share this lifestyle with anyone. It's all about creating dishes that people will love and also a loving environment where you can simply talk and enjoy with one another. When I make dinners for myself, I usually just make a colorful rainbow salad using the ingredients I can find in my Gardener fridge. In the salad, I made a bed of kale and topped it with chopped purple cabbage, sliced baby bell peppers, freshly sliced tomatoes. I love tomatoes, cucumber noodles, and carrot noodles made using a simple carrot peeler, and avocado to top it off. You can create your salads to fit your taste buds. I make my own salad dressings each night as well. I love having a lot of dressing, and it just makes this lifestyle so much easier to have a good set of favorite dressing recipes on hand. Tonight's dressing was a red bell pepper tomato tahini dressing. All of the recipes I've mentioned from my dinner party to this salad tonight are already in my recipe app for you, and you can find them linked below. Take care of yourself and nourish your body with wholesome plant-based foods.
Thank you so much for watching my little life update. If you've liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button because there's only more deliciousness to come. The next time you see this field, there will be a lot of trees planted in it. So please be sure to stay tuned for a property update and my upcoming birthday app sale. If you're interested in getting $55 off a J2 Nama juicer, please check out the link below, and you can also use the code FullyRaw55 at checkout. If you're looking to do some spring cleaning and kickstart your health and wellness journey, juicing is an amazing tool that you can use. So if you don't have a good juicer, I definitely recommend the Nama. All other links are below for you, so you can check out those in the description. Thank you again so much for watching my video today. It means the world to me. Sending you all my hugs and my love, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.